We now have MIUI update for the Redmi Note 8 Pro. Let's see what's in and what's not available with this version. So, let's go! What's up Xiaomi fans, Christian here and welcome back to All About Me, where I talk about Xiaomi products. MIUI 11 is now available in a lot of devices, and one of them is the Redmi Note 8 Pro, which is scheduled for phase 3, but it's early. It's an early update. Phase 3, I was expecting it to be probably late December or probably next year, but it's here now. So we're gonna check out what's in the MIUI 11 for the Redmi Note 8 Pro. And before anything else, it's time for our shout out to our Mi fans out there. So let's start with Mark Julius Rodriguez all the way from the Philippines, and a shout out to CS from Goa, India, and also Love from Pakistan. We have Ahmed Hassan. Thank you all for your support. If you do want me to give you a shout out on my next video, leave a comment below. So let's see what's new on the Redmi Note 8 with its MIUI 11. And once you get an update, it will only take around or less than 5 minutes to fully update your phone to the MIUI 11. And what's new in this version, we're gonna find out later. So one of them will be Sound of Nature, Mi Share, Documents, wireless printing, and so on. So we're gonna explore this. At first glance, you won't see much difference compared to the previous version. So if you go to the settings, that's where you see the icons has been changed, and there's more options that you can see from there. And I heard that they are going to create an app drawer for this MIUI 11, so we'll just wait for that update. The Redmi Note 8 version doesn't have options at the top, unlike the Poco F1 for the app switcher. And first thing we're going to talk about is the sounds of nature. So basically this will replace your regular alarm that's not soothing enough. So with Sounds of Nature, once you activate and download this, it has that soothing that makes you feel light when you wake up. So you'll wake up with a different sound of nature every day and give you a morning boost. And the next update we're going to talk about is the Mi Share. So this is the enhanced version of the Mi Drop. Mi Share allows you to send images and files to nearby Mi phones and other compatible devices like Vivo, Realme, and Oppo. And you can send files to phones or click on the send on the lower left hand side if you want to share this particular photo. And once you hit on share, it will automatically scan the area if there's available device that is compatible, and you just tap on that device and it sends it. So it's that easy and it's quite fast. And next we have the Mi Doc Viewer, which is a computer level document viewer according to Xiaomi. So if you go to your file manager and go to Docs, it will scan your phone for any compatible files like PDF, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and even text files, and you can read it. And it's quite smooth when you're using the app, and you can even search, and it automatically turns on the reading mode. So as you can see, it's a bit dim, so that it's not that painful or harmful to your eyes when you're reading. And next we have the wireless printing. So this, you don't need a computer to print out a document. You can just use this phone. And MIUI 11 allows you to print photos and documents wirelessly without installing additional apps. So we're gonna try it. Let's try selecting the printer. Okay, let's try. Hope it scans again. It automatically detects which printer is available via your Wi-Fi network. So once you selected it, just specify your layout, how many copies, if you want color or not, then you just print it. So it's as easy as that without adding additional apps. And one more update that we have is the calculator. So it doesn't work with the scientific calculator, it's just the normal calculator. So which you can switch it to something like it's floating. It's on top of the app, no matter what app what app you open, and it's quite good because you can switch the opacity, and once you are on the dark mode, the calculator is also black, so which is it looks nice, and you can use it on top of any app. Let's say you need to add something, multiply something, and you don't have to keep on switching apps to do that. Task has also been updated with the MIUI 11, so you can create and track your daily task in the Notes app as usual, and you can also create a shortcut in your home screen so that you can easily access it. You just have to switch it on under the Notes app. Okay, you'll have that small like a line icon there on the left hand side, so when you swipe it, it's gonna show your task, so you can add task or voice reminder. So I mean, it's quite easy for you to manage your tasks. So once you tick it, you can see which tasks are completed. With MIUI 11, quick reply is also one of its new features. So which means if someone sends you a message via WhatsApp or WeChat, for example, once you open it, it opens a small window of that app, so you can type in your reply even though you're watching something or playing games. And next is the additional filters. This is one of my favorite updates with the MIUI 11. So supposing that you took a picture of a very gloomy sky, and you can edit it, you can change the sky to a more brighter, maybe a sunny one. So just go to its filter, you can find sky, and under the sky you can just basically just change filter, like as easy as one tap. You can change to whatever like sky filter you want, and once you save it, you can also remove the watermark if you want to. You can put text. You see the before and after photo, that's quite a big difference, so from gloomy to a more better picture. And next we have the Game Turbo 2.0. so this is not something new with the Redmi Note 8 Pro. It has this even though it was still on MIUI 10. So with the Game Turbo 2.0, you can switch networks, maybe Wi-Fi to data. You can switch SIM 1 to SIM 2. You have quick replies. You can add WhatsApp, WeChat, or even a browser over there. You can optimize the speed, or even you can take a screenshot, take a video capture. There's a lot you can do with Game Turbo 2.0. And even you can see the CPU usage from the Game Turbo dashboard up there, and also check the frames per second if you like. Alright, I have the China ROM on this phone, and it has, after updated to the MIUI 11, it has the steps tracker installed with it, but it doesn't have that period tracker. So if you're using the global ROM, okay, this is only available for 3 countries: India, Spain, and Indonesia. So, but if you want this in your phone, you just simply have to change your region to one of those 3. And the next update is the screenshot. So it's editing, sharing, and customizing screenshots is easier with MIUI 11. So you get more options, and it's easier for you to share. You can print it, you can send it to Me Share, you can cast it, or you can just edit it. You can add text, color of the text, you can add shapes, and so on. And lastly, we have the always on display, but unfortunately this feature is not available with the MIUI 11 on the Redmi Note 8 Pro. Reason being is that Redmi Note 8 Pro is using LCD. It doesn't have that Super AMOLED screen, which supports the always on display. But overall, for me, the MIUI 11 does make life get easier. Let me know what you think and leave your comments below. And you can also include what is your favorite feature for the MIUI 11. And we have reached the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys love it. I hope you guys got something out of it. If you do like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on the next video.